A huge breakthrough for pancreatic cancer. An experimental vaccine showing promise in its first human trial, generating an immune response in 90% of high-risk patients, with more than 37% seeing their cysts shrink or even disappear. Researchers say those findings are particularly noteworthy when assessing for possible interception of cancer, which requires long-lasting immunity, adding the vaccine was both safe and well tolerated.
Joining us now to discuss this medical breakthrough is family medicine physician Dr. Jessica Gray. Doctor, thanks for coming on and talking to us about this. You know, I have so many questions. I unfortunately have someone close to me who was diagnosed with pancreatic stage 4 in the fall of last year, who is doing well on another pill that was released recently that was in trials. So my question is, when will something like this vaccine, I know there's only 19 or so patients who are able to get this in this trial, when will this be available for other pancreatic patients?
So this is still very early. Like you said, it was a phase 1 trial with just 20 people, and it was really designed to test safety. So larger phase 2 and 3 trials are needed and upcoming, but it looks like it could probably take about 5 to 7 years for it to be available to the public. The good news is, though, that the first proof that this vaccine can actually generate a lasting immune response against pancreatic cancer in humans, like you said.
Why does this work, and how does it work?
So 90% of pancreatic cancer is related to a mutation. We've talked about this before, actually, the KRAS mutation. And so this vaccine is targeting that mutation and helping the body create cells that can fight it off. What they're doing is finding high-risk individuals, people who are predisposed to getting pancreatic cancer, those who have strong family histories, or those people who we already know carry a gene such as the BRCA1 gene, the BRCA2, or ATM gene, increase their risk for getting pancreatic cancer. They are looking to give these vaccines to them in order to help them boost the immune system and prevent those cysts from developing into cancer.
You know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like in the last couple of years, cancer treatments, they've actually expanded quite a lot. And I feel like there's more on the market now than just chemo.
Yeah, so actually for pancreatic cancer, 2026 is turning out to be a really incredible year. Earlier this year in May, we actually talked about a breakthrough pill for pancreatic cancer that showed to double survival rates, which was huge in pancreatic cancer, which already has about a 10% survival rate to it. And so then we're coming out with these things like these vaccines that are really looking at genetic mutations and immune modulators. And we're looking at that the science really is catching up all of a sudden, and it's making some advances that are really exciting in the cancer world.
15 seconds. I know this is a tough one. Why is pancreatic cancer so deadly?
So pancreatic cancer, 3 things. Number 1, there's no good screening test for general population, unlike mammograms for breast cancer or colonoscopies for colon cancer. There's nothing that we can do there. Most of the time when you develop symptoms, it's already spread and it's too late. And then 3, it's just biologically aggressive, and most of our treatments available up until now have not been very effective.
This could be an absolute game changer. You just pray for your relatives. So many people. You look at Ben Sass out there. He's been so public with his fight. Dr. Jessica Gray, really awesome stuff.
Thank you.
Prayers that this is a permanent thing going forward. Fox and Friends begins right now.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube, and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.